Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting inside Canva with your design open. Log in and pick the page where the QR code will go. Once done, choose the link target type, URL, file, text, or phone, and copy it to your clipboard so you don't interrupt the flow. Make sure you've selected a visible area in your layout and considered size. QR codes need sufficient pixels to scan easily. Now move to the Elements or Apps menu to begin creating the actual QR code. Open Canva's Apps or Elements and pick the QR code generator. This tool converts your content to a scannable image automatically. Paste your URL or enter the content, then tap Generate. Pause to preview and verify the encoded destination because mistakes here mean broken links. Once satisfied, insert the QR into the design, scale it with corner handles, and align it to your layout grid. Make sure there's contrast between code and background so phones read it without trouble. After placing the QR, export your design in an appropriate format, PNG or PDF at high resolution for printing, and standard PNG or JPG for digital use. Before you distribute, test scanning with at least 2 different phones and camera apps to confirm the link opens correctly. If scanning fails, troubleshooting. Verify the pasted URL is exact, increase size or contrast, ensure quiet margins around the code. Then regenerate. Once tests pass, you're ready to share or print confidently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.